Gungaloosh, everyone, and welcome to a little oddity that I wanted to share with everybody today. A little backstory here. So what I'm going to do today is an unboxing, but a very special unboxing. If you didn't know already, I am part of a group. We are in a Discord. I'm not talking about my podcast, The Cretans Guild. I'm talking about the Parks in Monorail Most Magical Hour. What that is, basically, is there's these two other Disney podcasts, the Theme Park Thursday and the Monday Morning Monorail, and they join their forces like the Wonder Twins and form the Parks in Monorail Most Magical Hour. It's basically those two podcasts and the fans of all of them. We all got together, created Discord, and we started talking to each other. And Steffers, who's part of the group, you'll see her in January's Cretans Guild Women's Championship Rumble. That's going to be a lot of fun. That's a little teaser for something else. But she created a Secret Santa community. So everyone created their list. They made a list of stuff that they like and everything, and we all took part. We set a precise money limit. I think I went over. I'm a giver, whatever. But I got my box today, so I decided, why don't I go ahead and open this guy up. And I don't know who my Secret Santa was, but I'm looking forward to it. Okay, first off, that's a receipt. I'm not going to look at that. Okay, my Secret Santa was Jeff. Thank you, Jeff. This is really cool. Oh, cool. So he's part of the group. I sent stuff out to another person. Jeff sent stuff to me. Let's take a look at what Jeff sent to me. And right off the bat, what we got here. Oh, nice. So if you can't tell already, I am big into tiki culture, and I'm a bit of a drinker. So Jeff got me a easy tiki recipe book. Modern revival with 60 different recipes. It looks like it's also a bunch of stories and, some gorgeous photography as well. Just, oh my goodness. This is, I already have a couple of, tiki drinking books, and this one I did not have, so, this is going to be so good oh wow. The Bar Builder, the Torch Bearers, the Code Breaker. Ooh, that looks involved. Oh, man. The tiki, what essentials you need for the tiki bar and garnishes and everything. This is a really good book. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you so much. Now, let's see what else we got in here. What do we get? What's this? Okay, it's gift receipt. And, okay, I'll tell you what. Put that over there. Tiki mugs. I love getting new tiki mugs. Oh, this is... Oh, I absolutely love getting new mugs because I have got a little collection over here on that brown shelf. I'll probably make a video of everything I have one day, but oh my goodness. Okay, so these look like they're well wrapped. What's this first thing in the box? First thing looks like... Oh, they're metallic straws. Oh, cool. I already have some of these, but you always need more, because if you go to the theme parks, I bring them with me, and because those paper straws are garbage. They're just worthless, and so more the merrier. And it comes a little cleaner too. I like that. Good. But let's look at this first one here. It's really well wrapped. Oh man, it would be bad if any of these were cracked, but I don't think that's going to be the case because the box was protected. Ooh, you're pretty. Okay. Take you out. Oh, you're... Alright, first off, YH Tiki. Oh my goodness, this is labeled as the Chief. It is, I guess, an American Indian with the headdress. I never would have expected this to be that sort of tiki mug, but I like it. It's beautiful. It's well glossed. It's well glazed. I'm not sure if this was made from a mold or if it was hand. It looks like it was molded, but it is gorgeous. This is going to be a really nice addition to the collection. So thank you on that, Jeff. And I got one more. Let's take a look. What is in this guy? Okay, put you over there. And we got another one. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, wow. This is really intricate. All right, so it's another Indian head with another war dress. I think that's what you call it, the Indian or the feather headpiece. This is beautiful. I like this. All right, so it looks like it holds, if I had to guess, maybe 10 ounces, maybe. But yeah, Jeff, thank you so much. These are beautiful. They are going to look really good. I can't wait to try something out of these because these are, yeah, they're fully glazed all on the inside. Perfect for tiki drinks. So, Jeff, again, thank you. Guys, if you want to take part in maybe next year's, you need to join in our Discord of the Parks and Monorail Most Magical Hour. I'll try and drop a link in the description below. Until then, thank you for watching, guys. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, share it if you want. Happy holidays, all that stuff, and aloha.